Police in Kenya today raided a Nairobi bar and arrested over 200 minors drinking alcohol. Following a tip-off, officers pounced on the Jerry City Discotheque situated on Dubois Road in downtown Nairobi. Witnesses say some of the students were found with alcohol and rolls of bang. Confirming the incident, Central OCPD Paul Wanjama said the 230 minors will be arraigned in court Wednesday morning as children in need of care. Police say they will also charge the owner of the disco, as the Liquor Act prohibits admission of minors into any establishment selling alcohol. The OCPD added that the parents of the minors, once they present themselves to the court, may also be fined for allowing their children to enter the bar unsupervised.
Na Mungu atubariki. Hata ikiwa pombe hiyo itaambiwa tukunywe. Watoto ni wetu tumezaa. Kabisa. Yote Mungu abariki askari. Leo sijade. Askari wameonekana.
Sasa tunashinda watoto wa shule wanakuja kunywa pombe, wanaenda mandanguroni kufanya vituko ambazo asifai. Hiyo lazima ikomeshwe.